I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a crypto wallet under 18. First, understand that most cryptocurrency platforms have strict age requirements, usually 18 years or older, for account creation. This means a minor cannot independently open and manage a crypto wallet. However, there are pathways available, primarily involving a parent or legal guardian. We will explore these options to help you navigate the process safely and compliantly. One common approach is for a parent or legal guardian to open a custodial crypto wallet. In this setup, the adult maintains legal ownership and control of the assets until the minor reaches the age of majority, typically 18 or 21, depending on jurisdiction. This provides a secure and supervised environment for a young person to learn about digital assets. Many platforms offering custodial accounts also provide educational tools to help foster financial literacy. Another secure option involves using a hardware wallet, which stores cryptocurrency offline, away from internet-connected devices. A parent can purchase a hardware wallet, such as a Ledger Nano S or Trezor Model 1, and manage it on behalf of their child. This method offers a high level of security against online threats and gives the parent direct physical control over the digital assets. It's a tangible way to introduce the concept of secure asset management. Regardless of the chosen method, the primary focus should be on education and responsible use. It is crucial for both the minor and the parent to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, including its volatility and associated risks. Begin with small, manageable amounts, perhaps $25 to $50, to gain practical experience. Consistent parental oversight and adherence to strong security practices, like using strong passwords and two-factor authentication, are paramount for a safe and educational experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.